Hey, welcome to the Engineer's Workshop. So we got lots of goodies in the mail today. I'm really excited. We got the manual for the Peerless Power Hacksaw to help figure out the feed mechanism, and already just leafing through it I found confirmation that they do have two ratcheting pawls that are set up half a tooth apart to basically double the fineness of the ratchet. You can make a larger, more robust ratchet, but actually still have good progression because you have a half a step capability with the two pawls. And the other thing we got were our bushings, our HoldDown bushings for the Ruston Hornsby, machined by our celebrity Steve Summers. So got that package in the mail. Was very excited to get it. Very well packed. And it looks like he's got double thickness here of bubble wrap, so I'm gonna cut into that and we're gonna take a look at them. Oh my gosh, and then individual bags. So we got some material from McMaster. This was 416 stainless, selected for its ease of machining, and Steve just did a beautiful job on these. The OD is stock. We got chamfers on all the corners, and then we got our 1-inch pilot, which is going to fit in the bore in the engine casting, where there was obviously like 7/8 fasteners, and then it's bushed down to a 5/8. So we're going to have 5/8 anchor studs, and then this is going to be bearing on the engine casting, and I found some really nice acorn style stainless steel nuts. They're going to cap off the threaded studs, so that's going to make a nice hold down mechanism, enable us to get good tension and good stretch on those anchor rods and resist the vibration of that engine. So all that'll be in an upcoming video. Thank you, Steve. I really appreciate this. I really appreciate the video footage making these. I saved it to the computer and watched it already about 5 times. So I'll put a link to that in the notes for this so that you guys can watch Steve do his awesome work. Thanks again.